Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you guys in the first episode of the Honda Grom Build Series how to convert this ABS model to a non-ABS. Let's go, I'll show you how.
Remember to subscribe and see how to remove fairings in my previous video. As a former motorcycle mechanic, I always like to go over parts to be mounted on the motorcycle. I found some metal debris on the bungee bolt. This can happen without it meaning there is something wrong. Always make sure there is enough clearance for the brake line to move freely, so that the brake line is not pinched or is too short. I forgot to mention that I ordered brake lines for non-ABS. This is because it is much cheaper and that I want to remove the ABS as well as weight. Original brake lines are surprisingly heavy. Gravity is your best friend. I recommend bleed the system with old brake fluid. Then replace old fluid with new. Then bleed one last time to see that there is no air in the system. As well as manually bleeding the system, you can notice that I knocked the brake line. This is to force the air to the master pump. Makes bleeding the system easier and faster. Removing ABS brake tubes, one must seal the holes from the module. I used the bolts from the tubes and made threads so I could mount a bolt in these two holes. I do not have any video from when I removed the ABS brake pipes, but you can remove the pipes without removing the gas tank. You cannot remove the module. There are several components that speak to this module, including the speed meter. I tested a bit with the fuses, but you will get an error message on your speed meter and the ABS lamp will start to flash. To prevent ABS lamps from flashing, I had to leave everything connected. You can remove the disc from the ABS sensor, but the ABS sensor must be plugged in to prevent the light from flashing. Okay, let's try some wheels. I think that will be easier because I've been popping some wheelies, but with the scooter. Like a couple of years ago. I don't know. I know that people are saying it sucks. In original condition. Ooh. That's my first wheelie for 7 fucking years. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit, I was trying to change gear. Like, okay, this gearbox is a little bit strange. I will say that. And guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make a comment down below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.